Derp is a web content scanner searching for the existing hidden web directories. Anyway, it will not be a massacre, or maybe. You will need to use VPN from now. Subler is a Python tool designed to enumerate subdomains of websites, and -d for domain name. By the way, you can do brute force using this tool. Be careful, nobody knows where you will go if you use it on the wrong host. Bing. I know that you know that tool, but do you know if TTL equals 64? That means it is a kail Linux operating system. Also, if TTL equals 128, it means Windows operating system. You can do Bing float attack with using -l, because -l 65500 sends that many packets not waiting for reply. But I guess me and you don't want to go to jail, so don't use it. WAF is a tool for identifying and fingerprinting Web Application Firewall products. eJPTv2 is designed for finding and tracking email addresses in data breaches, with identifying compromised email addresses, associated leaks, and -t for identify target. If you have time, go and search about haveibeenpwned.com, dnsdumbstar.com, and showdown.io.